Hello and welcome to this video in our series about using the National Weather Service Indianapolis website. We will be looking at frequently asked questions about climate data. One common question is, where can I get certified weather data? Certified data is needed for legal proceedings. There is only one location to get certified data, and that is from the National Centers for Environmental Information, or NCEI for short. This was previously known as the National Climatic Data Center. The website address is shown here on the screen. On that website, you can get all sorts of climate information, not only for Indiana, but across the U.S. Be sure to click on the Weather and Climate tab, highlighted in the red circle here on the left-hand side of the screen. Next is, where can I find past temperature, rainfall, snowfall, and other important climate data for Indianapolis and other cities across central Indiana. On our web page, go to the Climate and Past Weather link on the menu above the map of central Indiana. Next, click the local link to get to the page that you need. This is the relevant portion of the page that appears. There are a lot of items on this page, but in this video, we'll just focus on the most common items. There are 7 main climate sites across central Indiana, and these are the Indianapolis International Airport, Lafayette, Terre Haute, Muncie, Bloomington, Shelbyville, and the Indianapolis Eagle Creek Air Park. To access the most recent daily climate report, leave the defaults alone other than choosing which location you want. When you click the Go button on the right-hand side, a new window will appear with the requested report. This daily climate report example from Indianapolis from September 7th, 2013 will show high temperature, low temperature, precipitation, wind information, and more. If you have pop-up blockers enabled, this may prevent the extra window from appearing. If you want data from multiple days from a month, you will need to look at the Preliminary Monthly Climate Data Form, or CF6. To access this on the main climate page, choose the second product in the list on the left-hand side. You then choose the location and month you're interested in. Data back to 5 years in the past from the current year are available. After selecting the items you need, once again, click the Go button on the right-hand side. In the pop-up window, data for the month you chose will appear. You will see daily high and low temperatures, precipitation, snowfall, snow depth, and wind information. If you need help reading this chart, a link to the key is available at the top of the window. If you're looking for Indianapolis data, we have monthly data available back to 1996 on our local website. Just choose the month and year you're looking for, and then click Get Climate Data. The same information of daily highs, lows, and other information will appear in the window. The web address for this page is shown here: www.weather.gov/ind/local-cli. We will show you another link to this data a little later on in the video. What about temperature and rainfall data for other sites than the 7 locations that were shown previously? Limited data is available for many locations across central Indiana. On the main climate page as before, click the Now Data tab at the upper right. You will see this set of options appear. To see daily data for a month, similar to what we have been looking at before, choose the first option in the product list on the left. Scroll through the locations to see if the one you're looking for is available. Then choose whether you want data from this month or the previous month. When you click Go, the data will appear in a pop-up window. This example shows data from Elwood from August of 2013. What about other data such as average frost freeze dates or sunrise sunset data? On the main climate page, click the Local Data/Records tab. The page will then show a long list of links. The first link is to the page we showed earlier that has data for Indianapolis back to 1996. It also contains normals and records for Indianapolis. You can also find links to average dates for frost and freeze for many locations across central Indiana, links to tornado data for central Indiana and the state of Indiana, links to dates for the change of seasons, and links to sunrise-sunset data. There is a lot more information available on the page that is not shown here, so please explore the page for additional data. What about past severe weather reports, such as wind damage or large hail reports? On the main climate section that we've been referencing, you can view reports from the Storm Prediction Center database or the National Climatic Data Center, now National Centers for Environmental Information database. Clicking on these will lead you to pages where you can search for the information you need. If you have any questions about climate data, please contact us. You can send us an email at this email address, or you can find us on Twitter or Facebook. Thanks for viewing